Well, hi YouTube. We're back. The old dog and the young chick. And where are we today, baby May? What's the name of the resort?
Hi guys, and the name in the resort in Antolang. Antolang in Shaton.
And Chaton.
Yeah, I live here in Shaton.
This is where your home is.
Yeah.
And so you've always wanted to come to this little resort.
I first time in here.
And you're excited.
Yeah, very much.
And what have you been doing today?
Oh, taking picture. It's super nice, the view, guys. Please, if you want to go here, it's very nice.
Yes, it is. So I just thought we'd do a little homespun video with no big agenda and no big title. It's Tuesday. Tomorrow's payday, thank God. The second Wednesday of the month can never come quick enough. But we had, you know what, we have a couple of friends here, and we've always, May has always wanted to come to this resort. There is, I'll just give it a little rundown. There's a entry fee. What do they call it? Used for consumable. So anyway, we're not allowed to use the pool, but we were able to come here and just kind of take pictures. It's on the beach. It's 300 pesos per person, and that is $12 total for us to come in here today. And that's a little out of our budget in a way, but like I said, tomorrow's payday, so what the heck. And when they say consumable, excuse me, half of that is we're able to use towards food or drink. So it's really about $6 to come in. And they've got, oh boy, a bunch of pools. They've got some, I might take the little camera here and swivel it around a little bit. But behind us is the beach. Hopefully you guys can see it.
Yeah, it's very nice, guys.
Really nice views. And right now we're taking pictures, and we're going to start using some of them for my little YouTube channel for thumbnails when I do come up with an idea of a topic. And every day, baby May has been on this crazy video binge for her little channel, right?
Yeah.
And it's really gotten off. It's really become popular because, as you guys know, I'm too borderline to be monetized. But May is not too borderline. She does cooking, and it's May's Cooking, or May Cooking, M-A-E, capitals, and then lowercase cooking if you haven't already subscribed. And I will put a link on here now that I've figured out how to do that. And not only is May cooking, but she's kind of expanded it to where she's now shopping. She shows you, one of her videos shows her up in Valencia where we live. Every Sunday they have a market, and there's vegetables and fruits and this and that. And so what I'll do is I'll go and sit down with some other old farts, and we'll shoot the breeze while May goes out and does all the legwork. And recently, one of our subscribers sent May some money, and she went out and got 3 new aprons.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
And I think you're going to try to get some new cookware and stuff like that. So we want to thank you guys for helping May out in that way, and showing a little bit of love for us. Anyway, what else did you do? Oh, she went to Okai.
Yeah.
And you did some shopping. And then she washed the gay-looking little red scooter.
Yeah.
And you know what? I was in the apartment, and I said, I'm going to go get the scooter washed. And she said, I'll wash it. And I said, no, you don't have to wash the scooter. She goes, no, I want to wash the scooter. And it turns out, we told May's story a few videos back, and I've now got the full story, I think, on May. Originally, and this is how it goes here, guys, when there's a communication, not breakdown, but there's a communication struggle, I guess, between us and everybody else that's got a Filipina girlfriend, that it's not, my native tongue is not hers and hers is not mine. Some things get lost in lack of communication. So it turns out that baby May actually started working in Manila at what age? 13?
Yeah, 13.
And your first job was here in Dumaguete,
Yeah, in the fruit market.
in the fruit market.
Yeah.
And how long did you work in the fruit market?
1 week.
1 week. You had a foreigner boss, right? Was your boss a foreigner?
No, it's Filipino.
A Filipino?
Yeah.
But you did something wrong, right?
Yeah, because I'm not good for arrange the fruit, so.
So he fired you? How old were you? How old were you when that happened?
I think 13.
13.
Yeah.
And so I told everybody, because that's what you told me, that you went to Manila when you were 15, which is
Yeah.
true.
Yeah, yeah.
You did go work for a Chinese lady, but you also, at the age of 13,
Yeah.
you went to Manila and worked for a Filipina, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And it was a single mom,
Yeah.
and she was very nice,
Yeah, very nice.
and you took care of the baby.
Yeah.
But that's where she came up with this I want to wash the scooter thing, because the Filipina mom would have you go outside and wash her car,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
big. It's big car.
So what happened was I was looking around and Mae was gone and the chicken was gone. And I said, where the hell did everybody go? So I peeked around the corner and there was Mae. She was washing the scooter. And if you've seen the video, the friggin' chicken was there watching her, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the chicken, I don't know what the chicken's going to do in our videos, but I think he or she, I think it's a he. What do you think the chicken is? You think the chicken's a boy or a girl?
Boy.
You think it's a boy?
Yeah.
I think the chicken might be gay too. I'm not sure. We're going to have to find out, because every time I see the chicken, he looks fantastic. Anyway, so she did a really nice job washing the scooter.
Yeah.
And she saved me, what, 100 pesos, right? Now, are you going to charge me the 100 pesos? No?
No, that is free.
So what are you going to be cooking next on your show? Because everything you cook is super yummy, and I'm getting really fat. But we're going to try to start getting on a keto thing here with me so I can lose some weight. I'll tell you, I will share this with you guys. I gained, in the 3 years almost that I've lived here, I've gained about 25 pounds just off of the foodstuffs that are available here. And of course with her. But not just her, because her and I have been together for a little over a year, and I've been here almost 3 years. So 2 of those years is on me. And I got to admit that the foods here are kind of sweet, they're kind of starchy, there's a lot of rice, there's a lot of bread. There's just not the same, it's very hard to do an all-protein diet here. But I think I've got it figured out, and I think Mae's on track with it. So like this morning you made meatballs, right? And you had snow peas in there.
Yeah.
And there was no carbs in that, so that was awesome.
Yeah.
And I think the guys are really enjoying it. Some of the guys have mentioned on your channel that maybe you could tell them, like, you're using 1 cup of garlic and 1 pound of this, 1 pound of that. So all I would ask is that you be patient, because this is a work in progress. And I don't want to I never interfere in anything that she does. Everything that she does on her own. And she just recently started asking me how to spell some words. But actually, I thought it was cuter when she just put them up the way she thought they should be spelled. And so anyway, I don't want to interfere in that process. I think if you're following her little channel, you're going to be able to kind of follow an evolution, if you will, and watch her evolve and watch her grow. There have been guys that have been very astute, and they've watched her from the beginning on her show, and they said, you know what, you're like talking more, and your editing's getting better. And I've got to tell you, she's doing it all on her own. And this is a little girl that was taken out of school, and at the age of 13, not 15, went off to Manila to go to work to support the family.
Yeah.
So I'm very, very proud of her. And that's really all I want to say in this video. I don't know. We're here. We got a nice little background. I thought it would be fun to just kind of chit chat with you guys and let you know that we're kind of taking a day off of our normal routine, which is, I don't know what our normal routine is. Every day is different, huh? So I wonder what that, we left that chicken at home alone though. I wonder what he's doing. You think everything's okay? I don't know if I trust that chicken.
You forgot the chicken.
Is there anything you want to say? Anything you want to tell them?
Yeah. Guys, I always thank you for always for the watch my YouTube channel and for comment and like. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you very much for donation for me. I'm very appreciate that, and then thank you so much to God.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah. And everything that you guys do for us, the comments, the input, especially, you know, sorry, the thumbs up, all that. I just want you to know it breaks her heart when she gets a thumbs down.
Yeah. And then I have comment, you see, another boring. Oh my God. But
yeah, some asshole said, oh, another boring video. You know, and she brought it to me and she went, Daddy, look.
But it's okay, guys. I pray to God.
She's getting tougher. All right, so anything else? Well, let's give them a little view. Let's give them a little tour.
Yeah, you tour.
All right, there's the beach.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
And then we come around here, and that's kind of like the eating area.
Yeah.
And then over here is some pools. And then we'll just kind of go circular. I don't know how the sun's going to work on this bad boy, where my microphone's going to go. And there's
it's super nice.
another view. It is super nice.
Yeah.
And this is about a 40-minute drive from us towards Chef's home. And the weather's really nice. The view is really nice. The resort is nice.
Yeah. Very nice.
And so this is kind of what you got to look forward to if you ever decide to come out this way. And also I want to thank the guys that I've been able to have the pleasure of meeting in person. We've had some great talks. I've enjoyed our coffee talks, and I've made some great friends also. So is Mae. Mae's met a few guys. In fact, we're with somebody right now who I met through this channel, and he just played photographer and took a bunch of pictures of Mae. And that's about it. How's your bikini doing?
Oh, it's
You look
nice.
nice in your bikini.
Yeah, of
Want to show them your
course.
bikini?
Yeah.
Wow, the big model.
Yeah, I like a model, guys.
Wow. My beautiful girlfriend. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Again, this is just a little homespun video. We have absolutely no theme, and it's the Old Dog channel. So should they subscribe to the channel or no?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
All right.
I pray to God always.
See you guys.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.